Hello guys, welcome to another video tech therapy guide. Today I'm going to show you the brand new Latitude 504011. If you guys notice, they changed the color too. All the models come out in black. This is more like a gray color. Really heavy duty body. Let's open it up. This is an iCore 5 10th generation Intel Core, 8 megabyte cache, so 2.6 gigahertz. I will show you guys right now the specifications once I turn it on. You guys have good ventilation, a lot of ports, HDMI, 2 USBs, USB-C, network port. This one comes with a 512 SSD card. Like I said, it has very good ventilation, dual speaker for stereo, network card, HDMI to USB. It has a micro SD too. Really nice. It has with a mousepad with dual controls, top and bottom. And it has a joystick in the middle. Look at how it opens. Opens all the way to 180 degrees. It has the dual settings for the mouse, for the mouse pad, and it has the upper one when you use the joystick instead of using the mouse pad. No fingerprinting, just the power button. This has an Intel UHD Graphics with a Thunderbolt for Intel 10th generation. It has a 16 gigabytes DDR4 mega RAM. Price runs between 1600 to 1800, depending how big you want the hard drive, how much upgrade you want to put onto it. It has a high definition webcam, Bluetooth, and like right here, it has an extra USB and a USB-C. Very beautiful laptop for students, for school. It has a slot to put a SIM card for cell phone data too. You can actually get a hotspot. And right now, all the situations that everybody's doing online schooling, you can actually get a service and put a SIM card on it and have internet access all the time. Like I told you before, this is the joystick. The keyboard is really soft, typical Dell, making nice keyboard. The webcam, it comes even with a secure part to you can close the webcam and open it. I've tested it before. This is a really fast computer. Maybe not for a heavy video editing or gaming, but for the daily basics, it works perfect. It's a 10th generation Core i5, which is really good, really fast. Let's put it up and see. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Ask me. I have these computers with me, and any questions about it, troubleshooting, any problems, just ask me, and I will tell you, and I will help you out. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be more reviews in computers, laptops, and any type of peripheral. Let's see. Let's show you the specifications in this one. What do we have here? comes already pre-installed Windows 10 Home Edition, I believe. It's an Intel Core i5 10400H 2.60 gigahertz. It has an 8 gigabyte memory. Well, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, subscribe, like this video. It really will help out a lot. And any questions, just let me know. And if you have any problems, I will help you guys troubleshooting computers, repair, any upgrade that you guys want to do to any computer. Let me know, and I will help you out. Thanks for watching. I hope hear from you guys soon. I will leave all the specs down in the description and where to buy, besides the website from Dell. Like I said, thanks for watching, and you guys have a good day.